What's your name?
My name is Mohammad Tasin Prodhania.
What class are you in?
I'm in class 8.
Which school do you go to?
I go to Government Laboratory High School.
What are you going to present now?
I'm going to present now about the 38 structures on tense and voice.
For completing 38 structures, how long time will you need?
Around 1 minute.
Can you?
Yes, I'll try.
Okay, I'm starting the stopwatch.
Okay. Sir.
Let's get started.
V1, V as or yes, V2 will plus V1. Am is or was or will be plus verb ing. Have as it will have plus V3. Have as it will have plus been plus verb ing. Am is or was or will be plus complement. Have as it will have plus object. 21 modals plus V1. J kora plus make let somebody something plus V1. J kora plus get somebody to plus V1 something plus V3. J kora plus have somebody plus V1 something plus V3. J kora plus let somebody something plus V1. Conditional if v1 would plus v1, if v2 would plus v1, had would plus v1, I would plus v1, if had plus v3 would have plus v3, if v1, if would plus v1 would plus v1. Passive amazer was will be plus v3, amazer was will be plus being plus v3, have as it will have plus being plus v3, 21 modals b plus v3.
It's amazing. Tasin has completed all of the structural sites within 45 seconds. Please give a big hand for Tasin.